Okay, so this is how you change your language preference in case you need help with that on Google Classroom. So you go to the three lines on the top, scroll all the way down till you get to settings. And then you need to manage your account settings. And scroll all the way down to the bottom. Go to data and personalization, and then slide all the way down to the bottom. And then you'll see general preferences for the web. There'll be your language right there. So I'll show you one more time how to get here. So go here, you're at your classroom, see all your classes, go to the three lines, scroll all the way down to settings. You need to manage your account settings. Going to data and personalization, scroll all the way down, general preferences and language, okay? And then you can change it. Let me know if you need any more help.